Hi, Nikita Verndap here, and welcome to another A&D Market Digest, where our team of market analysts provides you with the most up-to-date information on the current mortgage rates and trends. We offer viewers helpful advice to take advantage of changes in the market that will help you grow your business. All delivered straight from our head of capital markets, Alex Suslov. We'll also be taking remotely with Mike Majidian, wholesale team leader, about finding affordable locations on the West Coast. Tune in now so you don't miss a beat when it comes to staying informed about changes impacting your business. Alex, welcome to the new studio. It's a pleasure having you here as always. Thank you so much.
Oh, absolutely, Nikita. Thanks for inviting me here. It looks terrific, the new studio. I really like it.
Wonderful. So I think we should start straight with the questions. And unfortunately, actually, with the bad news, since the rates have increased again this week, can you shed out some light on what actually has happened?
Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm here for. For the past months, we saw a series of different economic data being released, which was supporting basically inflation in the United States. People were getting more jobs, companies were developing, even though there's some news that are saying the opposite thing. And Powell had a testimony, it's a semi-annual testimony in front of the Senate, and he was mentioning that the results of the current monetary policy that there is in the Federal Reserve, it's not producing the results that they're aiming for, basically. And that's why Powell has mentioned that we will see a higher terminal rate, most likely, and that higher terminal rate may stay for a little longer than initially expected. That's why market is currently repricing of what the projection would be for the coming 2023.
A little bit off that topic, are we going to expect any updates on the programs this month?
Oh yeah, absolutely. We constantly work on different developments in our product development team, and we are releasing this month short-term rentals. Short-term rentals would allow you on the DSCR program would allow to get higher DSCR ratio, considering the fact that short-term rental areas usually generate a higher income. Thus, borrowers can get a better LTV on the program with higher DSCR ratio.
What about the adjustment? Will it hit or no?
There will be an adjustment for short-term rent. On low LTVs, it would be very small and insignificant, because normally if it's low LTV, you can even do a long-term rent with lower DSCR, right? So there is no advantage in doing short-term rent if you're not in that business. But if you're going with a higher LTV, short-term rental would allow you to do, for example, loan-to-value ratio up to 80%.
Wow.
And with that, obviously, if you were renting on a long term, your DSCR ratio would be lower and you will not be allowed to do 80%. But when you're doing short-term rent, that allows you to get higher LTV, and that's why you're getting charged for that short-term adjustment. There's one more thing, by the way, sorry, that and I believe Mike will be talking about it a little in more details, but we have released this month in March a promotion for West Coast, and it involves several states, including California, Washington State, Arizona, Oregon, and those states where we are promoting business as well. Those states were chosen for the reason because they are considered right now not that highly overvalued as per rating agencies adjustment, and that's the area where kind of we want to expand.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Alex, for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mike, hello. Thank you so much for attending the digest. I wish you could be here sitting with Alex on the couch, but since you're on the West Coast, we're doing it this way.
Hello everyone, Mike Majidian, West Coast Sales Manager with A&D Mortgage.
Tell us a little bit where you think people will find affordable housing in Arizona.
Arizona has a lot to offer. incredible diverse environment from lowland to spectacular mountains, impressive array of cultural experiences. Number 3 is Sierra Vista. Sierra Vista is about 90 minutes drive from Tucson, surrounded by towering mountains, and it has 4-season climate. Sierra Vista is also known for the capital, hummingbird capital of the world, and also it's very affordable. Golden Valley is number 2. Golden Valley is a small, sleepy town in Mojave County, still 90 minutes from Las Vegas, and you can enjoy beautiful hiking trails, and perhaps is best known as it's called Santa Land. I think that's Christmas themed ghost town. That's why it's called also Santa Land. Now, number 1 on our list is New Kingman Butler. Now, New Kingman Butler is close to Kingman, which has a large population. It's just a very short drive. A lot of golf courses, beautiful parks, also several museums. It's very affordable, and I think it would be a really, really good choice.
Now let's talk about the most expensive states to live in, California. Where do you think people might find affordable housing there?
Within the beautiful state of California, we can still find affordable places to live. Now, I'm going to give you the top 5. Vallejo. Vallejo is located 30 miles outside of San Francisco. Is beautiful waterfront city, prime location for living, working. It's also known for its tourist destination. The cost of living, it's much less than the Bay Area, but you're still close enough. It's a nice place to raise a family. Sacramento comes at number 4. Obviously, Sacramento is the capital of California. It's also known for the cheapest big city in the state. So the cost of living is 22% below the California average and 88% below San Francisco, but you're still pretty close. Number 3 is Clovis. Clovis is a medium-sized city just outside of Fresno, also known as the gateway to Sierras. It's a good family working environment and pretty affordable. Stockton, it comes at number 2. It's primarily a suburban city with a welcoming presence. It's also the least expensive city in all California. It's known for historical museum, hiking trails, regional parks, and economic opportunities, and you can save money. It's pretty affordable there. Eureka comes on top of the list of the most affordable places to live in California. A historical port city that's in Northern California. Eureka is also an old town full of Victorian mansions and other historical transactions.
Finally, tell us a little bit about the special sales incentive happening for some of the West Coast states.
We offer 25 bips to all of our brokers that are bringing us non-QM purchases. So they get lender credit, 25 bips towards all purchases of non-QM in states of Arizona, California, Oregon, Nevada, and Washington. And currently in Washington, we only doing business purpose loans, so investments only. Originally, we had it until March 15, but due to great response that we got from our partners, we're going to extend it. We're going to extend it until March 31st, which is Friday, March 31st. So these are going to be honored upon lock, so please feel free to lock it as soon as you can. Thank you.
Mike, thank you so much for that valuable insights. I think that is pretty useful. Thank you. We thank you for taking the time to watch our A&D Market Digest video. We hope that it helped you gain valuable insights into the current mortgage climate so that you can confidently advise your clients and make moves in the market. We invite you to follow us and stay tuned for more videos like this, designed especially for mortgage brokers. Until next time, keep creating success stories.